this is main part. I will tell you why. Put them into Excel so that I can give it to N10 to automate my channel. Hello everyone, welcome to the club Era of AI. Today we will gonna learn how we can clone and automate any YouTube channel for free. So let's get started. First of all, with just a few tools, okay, we will gonna use this N10, NotebookLM, and this Modal.com, and I will tell you about everyone in detail further. We just have to follow these 5 steps, which will completely automate your YouTube channel. Okay, you don't have to be a human in a loop. Okay, it's completely automated from starting to the ending. You just have to start it, trigger it for any day, and it will start giving you the results. So we have to follow these 5 steps. So the first step is we have to analyze any successful channel which we will gonna clone. Okay, I'm here, and let me tell you about this channel, which is like with just 8 videos published, and this guy already crossed 40k. So like how we can also do this. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, we have to what we have to do is we just have to, this is a comment browser which I'm using. This comment browser have this assistant feature. So what I will tell it, please copy all the video links here in chat with new line separated. So it will give us all these links. You can see it's doing its magic. We will get all the links. So what we will do next is we will copy these links, and we will go to this new tool, which is Google's tool actually, and it's free, and it's a very good tool, which is called NotebookLM. So just search NotebookLM, and you will come here, and you can see this logo, NotebookLM by Google. Just click on it, and you will land here. So what you have to do, this is a NotebookLM tool which is very best for research, and or like you have to analyze the tools. We have already copied all the links here. So let's go to the NotebookLM, click on this create new, and we are here. So what we have to do is just click on this website link, or you can say here you have website and YouTube both. So just click on this website button and paste all the links here, and then insert it. After inserting, what you have to do is just wait for a while. It will doing its magic. Okay, so it's already analyzed the complete channel which we gave it to it. So first of all, let's give it a right name to here. Just give it a name, that clone of YouTube channel. Okay, like whatever you can get, finance. So let's give it a good name, and then come here, and I will give you this prompt, or you can just copy or paste it and write that I want to clone a channel like this, and go through these sources and understand the niche and script, title, and tone format. Okay, so just hit the enter and let the NotebookLM do its magic. So what it will do is that it will examine, and it will completely give us all the tone, niche, script, and everything which this casual finance here this used. Okay, and you can actually use this assistant also, but let's try NotebookLM in this video. In the next video I will tell you how you can use this assistant tool for better and a good approach. Okay, I will somehow tell you some of the things here also. So like if you want this browser, it's actually Comet browser by Perplexity. So just if you have Perplexity Pro, then you can easily download this from your browser. Okay, it's already examined the complete detail about the casual finance channel, the niche, the what are the tone, okay, the core, the script formula kya hai inka, and everything like that. So now what we have to ask it, that we have to ask it to give us a new channel name. Okay, so let's give it that, give me 2 words 10 channel ideas. Okay, like this. So it will give us, and we have to select from it. Okay, so the thing is what I did was I also created a YouTube channel using this formula. Okay, so I also asked it to give me two word channel, because that's a fine approach for now. If you want it, you can change this later, but for now let's make it faster. And you can choose any for you, like that trap, digital mirage, and the fiscal rod. Okay, so the silent traces. So like for now, for me, what I did was I have selected this name, which is money founder. Okay, I just come up with this name. So I will choose this name, and I will ask that I'm choosing my name. I'm choosing name for my channel, this whatever this is. Okay, so based on this, so now just give that best on this finance, this casual finance channel. Give me 10 script ideas. Okay, so like, or you can guess it like, give me 10 ideas to publish in my channel for shame to go viral faster than usual, because this channel is also got millions of views and 40k plus subs with just 8 videos. Just give it this type of prompt and it will come up with 10 best ideas. And let's wait for it. So yeah, here we go. We have come up with the best ideas, like in the same way the casual finance is making its videos. So now what we have to do is we have to ask it that now come up with a click worthy YouTube ideas based on your ideas in the same style of the given channel we are cloning. Okay, and along with that, give the title, script, hashtags, prompt to generate the clickbait thumbnail for every video, and put them into the Excel. Okay, this is main part. I will tell you why. Put them into Excel so that I can give it to N10 to automate my channel. Okay, so what we want is that we don't want any human interaction. We just want that our channel should completely automated. Okay, so let's move to the next. Let's click and it will give us, it will think and give us the complete idea. Or you can see that it's giving us why your degree is 1.7 trillion death sentence, America is broke, and Uncle Sam is still buying Corvettes. It already gave us all these ideas why the dumbest people you know are making the most money, and buy now regret later, the Silicon Valley trap. These are the very good like clickbait ideas. You better know. If I was also there, I can click on any of them to watch the videos. And you can also see like the script intro, meet the American education system, where we give 18 years old with the financial interest. And you can see the hashtags and thumbnail prompt, how we can create all these things. Okay, we want that it should not write intro and part 1 part 2. Okay, I will tell you why, because we don't want to later making errors. Okay, so let's give it that, just give the script in a way, script ready to TTS, like text to speech. Okay, finally it's working and it's giving us all the things to clone the casual finance style for your channel, Money Founder. Don't worry about other things, let's focus on the script, because script will be the best here, because it already analyzed that channel. So let's go and ask it that, let's copy those. Okay, let's copy the given. Okay, and ask our one more thing. If I directly push to it here, it will go like that. One thing I can do is that I can just give it to the script, to the AI Gemini here in the script, it can generate. And one more thing is that I can do is I'll open this assistant browser here and it will also do the same thing. But let's give it that convert into I can copy paste sheet, so it will just give us in the best way. So let's till then go back to the finance channel here and ask it to give me 10 or 5. Let's say for 5 for now 5 more ideas. So let's till then let's go to the sheet if it is generating or not. Okay, so let's copy this and paste it here, and you can see we can already have this format. Okay, so this is the format we are using here also. Okay, so title, this is script, you can see the complete script which will around like 4 to 5 minutes it will take to in the video if you convert this text to speech. Okay, let's go back to here. We wanted 5 more and it's gave us the 5 more, so let's copy them from there. Okay, let's copy and let's go to our video or our sheet and paste it here if we can. I think we can do that, but let's give back it to assistant and also make sure it should also just say like this, so in same way, so it will give back us the same script or like the same prompt or whatever the format it gave. Let me paste it here and it's here, but let's remove this title from here, and now we have our 9 ideas. Okay, we have 9 ideas: the title, the script, a hashtag, the thumbnail, prompt. Okay, so let me do one more thing. Let me change the name to title, and this is script, hashtags. Okay, but let me and thumbnail, prompt. Okay, this is okay, but I have to write one more thing here which is status, and I will tell you why we wanted that, and let me make it in, like I will tell you why we wanted here. It will work, it will help us in our automation. So let's make it fit. So we have to add 3 features to it. Okay, so this is status, and what we wanted is that instead of this we want drop downs, so it should be 3. We wanted 3. Okay, so 3 what success, let's give it this green color. The next is failure, let's give it the red flag, and the next is pending, let's give it the blue. And we don't want the multiple selection, we just want a single selection. So, and what we will do is that just make sure that click here and do this, or just do this. Okay, and make everyone pending. So we want that, just make it pending and make everyone pending. Okay, because we will gonna add more here, so this should be pending in the start, in the beginning. So let's save it, and this is our new spreadsheet, and you can call it money founder YouTube demo sheet. Okay, I'm giving this name. It's okay, you can give the name you wanted. We have successfully created this, successfully analyzed that YouTube channel. Okay, our first step is completed. We have researched the viral video pattern, and we have already done this notebook deep insight. Okay, so the next step is setting up our YouTube channel. Okay, we have to set up our YouTube channel. For that, we better know we already got the name. Okay, so now what we want is that for now it's okay, we have to tell it that give us the logo ideas and the theme, like what theme we wanted for us. You can see in the casual finance. Let me play it.
संयुक्त राज्य सरकार और एक व्यक्ति जो जीवन के मध्यकाल से गुजर रहा है, दोनों में आश्चर्यजनक
We are
समानता
not
है।
able to
फर्क
hear
सिर्फ
his
इतना
voice, it's okay, but you can see this guy is using just these 2D illustrators. Okay, these are the illustrators, but we don't want to copy exactly like that now. We don't want to be like that. So what we will do is that we will go to the, we will select, like we will search in the dribble. Okay, so I have this money found. Okay, I have this YouTube channel. I created this a few weeks ago, and I like, you can see, like I saw this. I go to the dribble and I was looking, you can see. Let me tell you, okay, how you can do that. Like you can go to the dribble. Okay, dribble or Behance or whatever, there are plenty of website out there which give 2D characters. Okay, so go there and search for, if you want, in any style you want, but I just love 2D illustrators. Okay, so minimal 2D illustrator I search, and it will come up with those plenty of these things. Okay, so if whatever gives you, like you want your style to be, just hit that thing. Okay, so let's say if you want your style to be like this. Okay, so just copy this thing, copy this image. Okay, and go back to like you can say you can go back to anywhere, but for the profile picture of your YouTube channel or the description, you can just ask to the NotebookLM also, or you can go to these websites like Dribble and Behance to select any 2D character. Like what I did was just I just copied this character, and then I went to the Grok. You can see Grok, and I gave it prompt that please I gave it a prompt that just write this, remove this body and change it to man, and put this money founder inside that. So you can see I just come up with this cool idea. So I just this is my profile picture. You can see here money founder, and this is the banner. You can see the subscribe money founder. Okay, so and these are the views, or these are the videos I created. You can see the design or the thing I have created, this intro also. I will tell you the prompt how you can do that, but yes, this is the video. You can see from beginning itself, this intro, then this video. You can see, and this completely auto AI generated. Okay, I just gave it the prompt, and you just click on the trigger button, and it is completely generated using AI. And I will tell you how you can do also, and this is the long, not a short form. You can I will, if you want the short videos, how you can create a short videos, just comment down and I will give you that also. But I love that ending or that outro of it. You can listen the audio in your device, and also subscribe to that channel also. Just come and set up your YouTube account. So now come back to our video. You will just ask it to generate to prompt to generate 2D illustrator for logo. So it will give that also, and also ask it to generate a description, and then if you want, whatever way you want, just copy any of them. Like let's say if you want this one, just copy this, and you can give it to, you can try this with here also. It will generate for you, or else you can go to the GPT or Gemini or Grok. Let's say it's also generated a video, but let's see. Also guys, this is my very okay, not bad man, this is a good, no? Yes, this one is, I'm loving this one, this is good one. And if you want, you can automate it from here. I also created my intro from here as well, so you can create intro, and if you want more variations of this, it will generate more for us. Like this money founder, this is also good man. Oh nice, these are the nice. You can see it gave us so many options to choose. we'll pick any of them. Okay, this one is also nice. So according to your name. So let's close it here. And okay, so hello guys, after setting up our second step, which is the to setting up the channel, we now have to setting up the modal.com. Actually modal.com is this is the modal.com. What it will do is that it will run our model to the in the cloud, so we don't have to run them in our machines, and because our machines are not that heavy. And the best part about this is that it will give us $30 free per month, and you just have to add your credit card if you have any, and then you're good to go. Okay, so let's set up this, and let's log in or sign up there. So I already log into the account, so let me go back to there, and you have to log in with your account. Okay, so like I already used it a lot, so you just go and log in and add you're good to go. Okay, so let's set up this, and I'll provide you all the details in that Notion doc. Open a folder, so let's create a new folder over there, and let me create a new folder which is whatever it is. Okay, so let's create a money foundry YT demo. Okay, let me create this and open any of your favorite tool, which is code editor. So this is anti-gravity by Google. So now what you have to do is you have to paste. I will give you the Python script. Just copy that script and or download it in here. Okay, so I will tell you what's happening here, but before that what you have to do is you have to install the model here. Okay, so that we can run this Python script inside our model. Okay, so you can do three things over here. Okay, so first thing is you can generate the voice using Kokoro. Second thing is it will generate the images which are free of cost, and the third thing is it will generate the images using image gen model. Okay, and the third thing is it will merge them and it will using FFmpeg, and also it can generate the captions for us or videos. So all these things are in this Python script, and we have to run this in our model.com. For that, let's install the model.com. So whatever scripts I am doing here, so you just have to copy them and paste. You can access them from the document from the description. Okay, so we are here and we have this thing already there, this file is there. Now what we have to do is we have to create a new Python environment, which is a new virtual environment. Okay, so let's type python -m and v. This is the name of the virtual environment. Let's create it. Okay, so we have created a new, and let's activate it. Source v. Okay, let me sorry. And now, so we have activated this. Now what we have to install the model. So the command is pip install model. You just have to type this command and it will install model into your machine. Okay, in your virtual environment, because we already activated our virtual environment. Over here you can see VNV, this is our virtual environment, and everything is inside there. And let's see, it's okay, we are here. If you can check model version if it's there or not. So let's wait for a minute. And yes, it's there. You can see it's 1.3.0. okay, so now what we have to do is we have to set it up. Okay, to set up the model.com, type here model setup. So it will set up the model. Okay, and it will get us back to the website, and it will create a token for us. So just click on authorize if this is the account you're gonna launch, and the API token will generate it, and we will get back to here. Okay, so the token is generated for us. Now the Python script is already there. We have this Python script and we want this Python script to run over there. Okay, so let's type model serve, or you can type model deploy also, but model serve and then the name of the file. So what it will do is that it will run on the model. If you click on this, you will get to this, but let me take you to there. it's here, like our application is running now. So it have these instances over there, that JDMS turbo model, that Flask app which is we have, and then Kokoro TTS model to generate the voice, and then this complete explainer video generator. So it will completely generate our video, and I will tell you how beautifully it will generate the explainer videos to us. Okay, so it's running. The only thing here we need is this. Okay, so just copy this path or this thing, which is webhook Flask app. Okay, copy this link, and then now we have completed our this step. Also we have set up the model.com. Now the next step is N10 workflow. So let me take you there, okay, in the N10, and show you how you can do the things. So what you have to do is this workflow is completely, it will auto generate the psychology topic scripts. You just have to select your go to the sheets and select the sheet which we just created using that that NotebookLM. These are the tools. Just make sure the status should be pending in the beginning, and then the thing is you have to select the sheet. Okay, so it will, and then if you execute it, you will get the details over here. So these are the details. You can see the title, the script, hashtags, the thumbnail prompt, the status. It will fetch all those things. Then let's move to the next step, and let's execute this thing, and it will give the title, script, and model server. This model server is important for us. So the thing is, if you came here and just copy this server from here, and if you will click on this and open this thing, it will tell us that our model is alive or not. You can see our status is alive, so our model is alive. So just okay, so you just have to come here and copy this link from here, this model.run, and then come back to our N10, and in this node, which is the parse topic and script, okay, come here and just change this model server URL. You have to just change this model here, and done. Then execute the step, and when you execute the step, and you can see like title, script, and this model is here. Okay, so actually this is a signal that yes, in the next step you can see we are testing the model. So if we execute this, and if our model is live, it will say that yes, the model is live, else it will give the error. Okay, so it's a good thing to check the model at the beginning, because it takes some time to load. So it's taking some time, and this and we got the our result, this that the model is alive. So let's move to the next. Now the psychology, art, and style. So here we go. Okay, so currently I have this complete script over there. What it will do is that it will generate a particular style. Okay, so actually you can see my channel, this money founder. So this channel, okay, so their style is based on this. If you can see,
the year is 2025. Your toaster has ChatGPT. Nvidia is worth more than the GDP of entire continents.
This is the style, and if you
hire
notice, it's okay,
they are paying
you
50 times earnings. One decision stock.
This is the style. So this complete character, this is the complete script which generate that character. If you want your character to be like this way, just copy this and put it here. And also you can choose the like, let's say you are loving this character, and you want that your videos should be like this. Okay, like this. So just copy this from here and go to this place here and paste there. Okay, and then ask it that please turn this style according to my image, my 2D illustrator, I want to generate like that using N10 later. So it will update, but I want you to give more than one. Okay, so this is the one. If you want, you can select that yes, if they have more like that or not. So maybe they have, whoever this girl Manu, thank you for creating this beautiful art style. and you can go and copy. Like this is the cool one, I love that. Behind that you can use many of them, like this one. Okay, just copy this one, or if you don't like this, okay, the only that you can copy this one. Okay, this is also the good one, and then give it to the comment, and what it will do is that it will give us the new prompt, okay, or new style, which is like that. So it's generated. Okay, so like हमारी जो थी स्क्रिप्ट वो अभी जनरेट हो चुकी है अकॉर्डिंग टू द images we have provided to it. So the style is completely changed, and if you want, you can just copy this and you can try this on like any of the model to generate any new image. So let me type it here and I'll give it to generate me a new image. So what it will do, let's see which type of designs or 2D illustrated it will give. I'm just putting this on the grok, so let's test it. Until then, let's come back to the script. So this is our script we just copied, and now change the style to this one. Okay, so I pasted here, and we have written everything here, that what is our aspect ratio and how the background should look and how the text should look. Everything is there. And like just back and just execute this step and close this assistant from here. So it will give the all the style, visual art, everything it will give to us. And if you want to see, let's see how it will generate. You can see our arts are generated. Okay, cool. Let's move to the next step, which is this create psychology scenes. And if you click on this, here is also we have this, we have to click this and calm analytic ground. We have written the complete prompt. Okay, so you can just change it according to your that topic and all. Okay, so we already give the topic to it, it will generate. This is just for the video. Okay, for the topic, like let's say ki this is our psychological topic now. So this is the long-term financial psychology documentary in horizontal, this format, and you must have to rewrite, improve, paraphrase or change the script content. Okay, so everything we have written here, you can read it here and you can change it according to your goal. Your, like if you have a fitness account which explain things about fitness, you can put it according to that. You can mold it according to that. How you can mold it, I already told you. Again, I'm telling you, just copy it here and go to any of the GPT or just paste, and just if you have like let's say you have account for parenting. Okay, so please mold it according to parenting parenting channel, where we give advice parents how to teach their kids. Then it will completely mold it for us. Okay, so it will completely mold this for parenting style. And let's like for you guys, let me use this one. Okay, instead of that, let me use this one. So for now, let me use this script over here and then execute. Let me execute this script. So it's already executing, but we have to execute it back. So it's using the model from here. You can see it's using is 2.5 Pro of the Gemini, and to think and analyze. And the art style we can see here, this is the art style of us, but I want that let's use the art style of the one which we wanted for you or for any other channel. So this is the art style. Let me put that. Okay, I'm doing it for you guys. I will not publish the video, I'll just make it private. Okay, let's come here and execute this step again, and we are getting the art style. Okay, so guys, let me test it. But just for you, I sacrifices my script and I'm using the parental script, because I just want you to know that you can change this and you can generate any type of content. So before it was creating the content for our finance account, but right now it is creating content for parenting and like childcare. Okay, so you can see you can see like here the reason in many homes a quiet pressure is building. It is not loud or dramatic, but it is always there. This pressure comes from the growing weight of household debt. Okay, so like let's see how it will how good it will generate. I'm also curious to know about that. So like in the next, what you can do in the next scene at psychology art style to scene, you can see here it will generate and it will add some scene. You can see, you don't have to worry about, it's okay. Let's move to the next step. And this step also, this is the step I was showing you exactly one step by step, because these are some mandatory things. Like you can see, and these videos image width is 1920, and if you want to make it a short video, you just have to change this ratio from 1080 to 1920. Okay, that's all you have to do, and then it will automatically generate for you. And also you can make the length smaller by going there, and you can see. And I also added my intro link and outro link. And if in case anytime you think that you are getting error and you are not able to solve this, okay, so let's say if I will remove this extra curly bracket from here, and if I will save it, and you can see if I will run it, it will give me error. It will give me error because invalid syntax. So in that case, because this is the solution, we know the error. But if you don't know, then what you have to do is you just have to either use the Annotation's inbuilt AI, which is good, else you can use this assistant tool. Just copy this thing from here and paste it to this assistant. That's why I'm telling you guys to use the Comet browser, which is very good browser. You don't have to move to the next or any other model. You can do the things here freely. Okay, and I'm using it far more than any other tool, and I don't have to buy any other tool as of now. So, and you can see these all things are free, and you can take the advantage of them. And check, let's execute this thing. Before, let me check how many scenes are over there. So it will generate approximately 15 scenes for us. This is a node which we are using for generating the video. After this, it will get us back to the model.com, and it will run in the cloud. But for now, and you can see that for currently there are no logs, and our model, this is our model we will gonna run, and this is idle. Okay, so it means it will only use the credits when it's running, and whenever it is in idle mode, it will not consume our credits. So we don't have to worry about that. We can just turn it on, and we forget. We do not have to close it off from our terminal every time. Okay, so let's come back to here, and here you can change the voice sample also anytime if you want. And you wanna test, and if you wanna test that what this voice should feel, because these are the voices of Kokoro, and Kokoro is a open source and free. So if you can search Kokoro voice samples over there, there are plenty of websites which will give you the, like, this is a nice website which will give you the sample voice. You can search it here. Okay, you can click there, just play
The room in which I found myself was very large and
lofty.
this.
The windows were
Let me tell you one more thing, that there's AF is American female, and the name of that, and American female, and like that American male. Okay, and then if BF means British female, okay, then BM means British male, like that. So these are the only Kokoro voices we are using, because we are using the Kokoro free.
The windows were long, narrow, and pointed, and at so vast a distance from the black oaken floor as to be altogether inaccessible from within.
You can use them. Okay,
Feeble gleams
so let's.
feeble gleams of encrimsoned light made their way through.
crimson light made their way through the trellised pane.
I love this PM Daniel so much. Okay, so let me go back to our annotation, and there I'll just have to write this to this mpeg. Okay, the videos are okay. This is quite good, and let me click on the execute button to see how it will go, and it's running. Okay, let me take back to the node, and you can see now our logs are running. Okay, and you can see the logs here. Just click on this explain video, and here you can see whatever is happening currently. It's the voice is FFmpeg which we selected, okay, and then it's creating the scene. We have 16 scenes, you can see from there. In our N10 you can see we are 16 scenes, like zero from, it started from 0 to 15, so we have 16 scenes. And let's come back, so you can see it's installing, and it's now creating the first model. Let's for some few minutes, so you can see like it will generate the image, it will generate the voice, and okay, then it will merge them using FFmpeg and then give back to us. So it will return us that video, complete video. I'll tell you, it will come here within a minute. Okay, let's wait for few more minutes and let me speed it up. Now you can see our video is generated now. So let's see how the result is. Let's see the result, and this is our result over here. Let me watch it.
In many homes, a quiet pressure is building. It is not loud or dramatic, but it is always there. This pressure comes from the growing weight of household debt. It subtly changes the atmosphere within the family.
It just took me some 2 to 3 minutes and it's generated, okay? It's completely generated. And then if you click on this, and it will generate, it will post to my YouTube channel, and I will show you that also. Don't worry, it's posted on my YouTube. You can let me show you, but before that let me change the art for it. So currently this is creating an art. Let's execute this. This is a thumbnail for our YouTube channel. It will generate the thumbnail. Let me show you that also. Just give me a minute. It's executing, guys, and it will take some. Okay, so here we have this is according to finance channel now, that's why this is like that. But let's say I want it to be out according to us, so I told you again, go to this assistant and paste this prompt there and convert this into parent child channel, okay, for parent child channel according to our so it will give us the new script according to the parent or child learning channel, okay, and just paste it over here again. You can see we have pasted it here. Just execute now. Let's execute it, and let's see for the new thumbnail we are getting over there. Just close this assistant. Thank you Comet, because Comet made it easy for us, okay, so you can go and download it, that's all. And the link for the Comet is in my description, you can get it from there also, and it is not sponsored at all. This is good, man. I'm just loving it. Nice. Let's apply this, okay, so we are here. Let's apply this thumbnail. It will now reflect on our channel. Let me check, just see it here. Let me show you guys.
In many homes, a quiet pressure is building. It is not loud or dramatic. Conversations can become shorter, patience can wear thin.
You can see this is very good, man. I'm just loving it. So guys, that's all for now. You can see I will provide you, and yes, in the end it will go and it will change the sheet into completed, okay, and then it will again go and select the new steps and or new row. So I will give the link of this JSON file I'll give you, and that a Python script I will give you in the description, so get it from there. And also I will write the complete flow how you can download and And then if you have any doubt, just comment it out. Okay, so guys, we have already successfully completed our N8N workflow and the complete overview, and also I shown you the complete final output also. So next is you can guys get the documentations from here. All the steps are written in this Notion template. I will provide this Notion template in my document, in my description over there, and you can follow all these steps and you're good to go. If you'll face any issue, you can comment it down. I will go reply you there. And also wishing you guys a very happy new year, and wishing you great success, and keep rocking just like that. And this is Era of AI.club on a mission to simplify AI for businesses in rural India. Happy New Year, guys. Signing off.